Okay, so we've got a parcel. Let's just get right into it. Oops. So you can kind of already see what it is. I may have cut into the plastic, but oh well. But maybe, who knows. Okay, so we've got here, let me just get it off the package first. Let's get that all the way. Right, so we've got here the redragon fizz. So this is the yeah, okay, so have a quick look around the box. So front is just a glossy image. Right. High speed, high control, high response. Yeah, we'll see. Contents. Alright, nothing else on that side. Serial code. Seal. Nothing else on that side. Features. Okay, let's get into it. What should I use? Let's just use blade. Let's see. Okay. Right. Bubble wrap. Okay, let's just put that there. What's in the box? So one of the niceties that you get is right angle USB-C cable. Let's see if we can get how long that is. So quite nice. It comes with a Velcro wrap, which you can take off pretty easily if you need to. Right, seems to be about 1.5 meters long. Yep, I think so. Okay, so I give you a keycap puller and switch puller, but neither of them are great. It's, you know, the cheap stuff. Then this is, I give you a few extra switches if I can get it open. So I ordered the red variant, so there should be 5 extra switches. So for you to replace, play around with. And I dropped one somewhere. Oh else, I'll find it later. So it's pretty okay. They are Temu style switches, so that'd be that. It's cheap. Okay, so we get the keyboard and some paperwork with it. Oh, sticker. Yeah, and some paperwork. I think for the most part we wouldn't really need it. We probably only just need to figure out by taking the software. Okay, so let's get all this out of the way. And we just left it that. So far, it looks pretty good. Right, let's just take a tour around it. So switches on the top, obviously. The USB-C port is on the left. Nothing on the front. One tiny logo on the front right. Nothing on the side. Nothing on the back. On the bottom, you've got the rubberized flip up feet. So when it's closed, the rubber is on the bottom. Right, and then you just have a few stops on the front. Yep, okay, so I'm just gonna plug it in with this cable first. And there we go. Just the camera a little bit. Okay. Not okay. Yeah, okay. Okay, so far that's that. Yeah. We'll explore this more. So, not sure if I'll bother going through modding everything, but I probably will do some stuff to it, but we'll see.